This is going to blow your mind. Louisiana was once Spanish? Yep, let's dive into this wild chapter. So it's 1762 and Louisiana just switched from French to Spanish hands. Surprise! Picture this, a massive area with just 7,500 people, mostly chilling by the Mississippi and the Gulf. And guess what? The first Spanish governor, Antonio de Ulloa, took 4 years to show up. Not exactly a fan favorite. Then in 1768, the French Creoles were like, "We want the French back." But Spain sent General Alejandro O'Reilly to take control. He brought new laws, more government, and some wild changes. Slavery grew, but it also became easier for enslaved people to buy their freedom. New folks from Canada and the Canary Islands moved in, making Louisiana super diverse. After 2 massive fires, New Orleans had to rebuild with stone, creating jobs for skilled workers, including free people of color. By the late 1700s, trade was booming, and New Orleans was the place to be. But just as things were looking up, Napoleon grabbed Louisiana back for France in 1800. And that, my friends, is the wild tale of Spanish Colonial Louisiana. Remember, history is about the stories. Stay curious, explorers.